In this video, I'll show you how to hide the taskbar in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the Settings window, navigate to the Personalization section. In this section, click on Taskbar. Next, expand the Taskbar Behaviors section by clicking on it. Here, enable the setting called Automatically Hide the Taskbar. The taskbar will now automatically hide and reappear when you move your mouse pointer to where it is located. Thank you for watching.